Hello, my leaders. I am so glad to be with you again today. This week is going to be pretty packed, full of assignments. Okay. Last week, couple of weeks ago, like I said, I made it pretty easy. However, now we need to pick it up. Okay. Because we do have to we have to start preparing for STAR. But I do have a special request, I guess I should say, for you for tomorrow, which will be on Tuesday. Um, and that will be September the 29th. Whoever wants extra credit, I am giving you 20 extra points to come to my office hours, which will be between 2 and 3 on Tuesday. And what we're going to do is do a small discussion group and do an assignment. And what I'm going to do is tape it, and I just want everybody to be engaged in it and be prepared to answer questions. I want you to come with a pen and paper so we can do just a quick assignment, but it'll be fun and interactive. So if you want extra credit, which based on the progress reports, I think there are quite a few who may want to get extra credit, come to my office hours on Tuesday, September 29th. So that way you could get 20 extra points on your final grade. So that way it'll help you. And then I'll be able to just kind of work with you on a small group assignment that I want to work with on. And so just do that. Now, for today's assignment, I will probably have to break this video down into several because it is a lot that's going on. But for starters, what we're going to do is you're learning this week about poetic structures. And poetic structures, there are many forms, but that's poetry, is haikus, it is what are some other ones? I put them on the actual class assignments. So they're there, but those are just a few that just to name, off the top of my head. And so what we're going to do today, the first thing is we're going to write about similes and metaphors, which we have already discussed before, and we've completed assignments on them. So you know exactly what they are. And I do have a anchor chart that I've provided previously so that you can refer back to that as well. But what you're going to do is write your own simile sentence and metaphor sentence over the poems at noon and the second half. And in this assignment course, I've also placed the page numbers for each of those poems. So just make sure that you go there and you do that, okay? So you're going to write your own simile sentence and your own metaphor sentence for both of those poems. So that means that you need to have four, okay? Also, for our launch, what you're going to do is think and share, and it's going to be via a discussion board. And what you're going to do is respond using complete sentences. I cannot reiterate that. Okay, so many of you have been responding or sending me your writings and everything, and it's incomplete sentences. I don't even know what to think. I don't know what your process is. I don't know what your thoughts are because you don't provide complete sentences. We are in the eighth grade. We will be high schoolers next year. So that means that right now, you have to write in complete sentences. And so, going forward, whoever does not write in complete sentences, guess what? You are going to get points taken off. Okay? So, just keep that in mind. The next thing what you're going to do in the learn is going to read two additional poems. Now, one which is Article 1 in the news, we've already read that one, but what we're going to compare it to is called Show Off. I've provided the page numbers to that as well. And what you're going to do is answer questions in your response journal. That those questions are on the actual assignment in the course. So you'll see